everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Again, same makeup, same outfit. This is the third video that I'm filming for you guys. If you guys missed, I already have 2 videos up, one haul, one unboxing, and now is a review. I got a box from ICOICE. I think this is how you call this company. Sorry if I spelled it wrong. But this is contact lenses, and I am so excited about this one because the packaging, it is so pretty, you guys. So they sent me a couple of their contact lenses to try, and I'm really excited about this one. Before I go ahead and show you guys the colors and the styles that they sent me, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see all the colors and the styles that they sent me and also show you this beautiful packaging, please keep on watching. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the colors and everything. Just to let you guys know that I forgot to buy a contact lens solution to kind of put them in, so I'm just gonna use what they sent right here. I think I have 6 pairs for you guys, and I tried to find information on the emails, but it's quite vague with them. If they provided any discount codes or anything like that, I can't seem to find any of that information, but I'll try to find it on the emails, and I will just leave it in the description box down below for you guys. So this is the packaging. First of all, it is so cute. Look at how beautiful those boxes are. I like the flowery kind of like nature kind of vibes that this has. It is really pretty. And you also have this little note / card that when you open it up, it gives you all the details on how to apply the lenses and what to do. Elegant gray, and the packaging looks like this. It's like a really nice beachy kind of moments, which is exactly where I want to be right now. And this is called Playa Beach. Yeah, it's super cute. Next, I got the also Rococo Passion Blue. So this is the blue ones. Packaging wise, it is so cute. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. Next, this is the Think Green, and this is the Rococo Love Letter Brown. As you guys all know, I'm trying to find a really nice brown hazily contact lenses because I feel like I always have a hard time finding them. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one. This is the Powdery Rose. Packaging wise, it is so cute with all the cute little roses, and this is called Agate Violet, so it's a purple. Next one, this is the Sweet Pony. This is Rainbow Unicorn. Again, I like to focus on the packaging so you guys could see, because they all have like different kind of theme to them, which I really like. This is called Autumn Vibe. Yeah, it has like autumn leaves on it. Very October, which I really like. And they also sent this. Their packaging is so cute. Look at this. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll see. This is the Cocoa Duck. Oh, okay. So it's these. This is kind of like the tweezer and the little plunger applicator that I call it. So you have that in here. So this is the duck, and this is the Cocoa Bear. What's the difference? Color. Okay, so this is yellow and this is white. Super cute. Love it. And then they also sent these little cutie patooties. The packaging is so cute. So this is called Eco Bunny, so I got 2 of those. And then I got Eco Labrador, which is the little cute little doggies. How cute is this? And then the Eco Bear. Oh my god, the boba drinks though kills me. It is so cute. I want a boba drink right now. Let's see what these are. No, this is cute as okay. So this is kind of like where you store your contact lenses. Look how cute this is. Do they all come the same color? This is the bear one. The bear is blue. The bunny is yellow. And what's the dog? It's also blue. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. I love this. It is so cute. So when you open it up, okay, it opens up like this. So you have the top part and then you have the bottom part. And I feel like, love it. The packaging wise gets me, you guys. This is super, super cute. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the colors in the containers and I'll be back to show you guys the colors and the style. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, you guys, so I have you zoomed in so we can go ahead and dive into the colors. I do have 6 colors and it's quite a lot. So let's get started right away. So the first color I'm gonna start off with, this is called the Rococo Elegance Gray, and I ended up writing the names on them so like that I would know which one it is. So let's go ahead and show you the gray one. So you open it like this and you have the color contact in here. So I like to use the tweezer, and if you want to use the little plunger, go ahead and use it, but I don't really normally use that because it terrifies me. So this is the gray. Kind of looks a bit whitish. You guys can't really see it that well. Ooh, these are like, I love this. Look at this gray. Looks really nice, very natural. The feel in the eye is quite interesting. It feels really light in the eye. Like, it definitely feels like I don't feel anything in my eye, which is really, really interesting. And I love the color. Look at that. Sorry, my eyes is getting a bit red. Especially this eye has been itching me a lot lately and it's been tearing a lot. So if it gets a little bit red, it's not because of the contact lenses, but it is just my eye that I've been having issues with. But look how beautiful this color is. I love it. Let's go add the second pair. The only thing I don't like about this is that you always have to close it and like open it from the other side. I love this one. It's a really nice natural gray color. If I don't have contact lenses, you probably think that I am born with this color. Look how beautiful this is. I'll also insert a picture so you guys could see it closely. One thing I need to mention, that if you do have prescription in your contact lenses, which they could add it in there, by the way, I forgot to mention that earlier, just kind of write L or R so you kind of know which is left and which is right, just to let you guys that little tip if you guys want to do that. It's quite important. I don't have any prescription into these contact lenses, but if you do purchase them and you do have a prescription, then just write an L or an R. Again, like, I like this packaging, but I feel like you need to close it very well because it tends to leak. So just keep that in mind. Next color, this is the Love Letter Brown. So let's find it, which is this one right here. It's quite interesting. As you guys all know, I'm on the hunt for a nice brown. So let's see how this is gonna look like. Definitely looking at it, it looks quite orange. So I'm not sure how this is gonna look like, but let's try it on. This might have gave me the brown that I'm actually looking for. So it looks really, really nice. Look at the difference between both. I mean, I naturally do have dark eyes, so you can see the difference, but this is a pretty nice brown color, to be honest. Like, when I wanted a brown, this is exactly what I wanted. I think the orange tone kind of complements the darker eye to make it look a little bit more hazel-ish. I have to say that they're so comfortable on and they're so easy to put on as well. Look how beautiful this color is. Definitely like it. It definitely made my iris look bigger, which I really like. Such a pretty color. All right, next, this one here, it is the agate violet. I like this color. When I saw it, it definitely has some purple tone in it, so I will show you how it looks like. But the purple is more like on the rim and not actually the whole thing, so it is quite interesting to see if the purple will show or if it's just going to make the iris look bigger because it's only on the rim. My eye's gonna be a little bit red because it's a bit irritated, so I don't know how I'm gonna last for the other 3 colors, but we'll push through. So this is the purple. I honestly don't really see a difference with the purple. Again, with my red eye, it doesn't really help either, but let's give it some time to calm down a bit. I honestly don't see a difference other, like I said, like I feel like the iris look a little bit bigger. I mean, there is a hint of purple, but since my eyes are quite dark, you don't really get to see it as much. You do see a little bit of the purple. Okay, my eye is a bit calmer. It calmed down a little bit, but this is how the purple looks like. I honestly, for me, this is kind of like a turn off because I don't really see the purple, except if you come close to my face and you really look in my eye, then you will see the purple. But hopefully the picture will give it a little bit more justice, but this is how it looks like. The 4th color, this is called Passion Blue. Now, looking at it, it is a nice blue, I have to say. So I'm quite excited to see how it's gonna look like on. And this is how the blue looks like. This is really, really pretty. And I like the fact that it's just like the lens, it's not the rim. So it definitely gives you the illusion of natural eye, which I really like. Ooh, I like this one. Look how pretty this color is. This is gorgeous. I am obsessed with this one. I have to say that so far I really like the first 2 colors. The purple one, I wasn't really into it that much, but definitely their colors are really, really nice. Look at that. It made my eye look so sexy. Ooh, I don't know, there's something about blue eyes that makes me feel a whole different vibe. This is exactly what kind of blue that I'm talking about. It just hypnotizes you when you look at it. This is the blue. But yeah, look how beautiful this color is. I definitely recommend it. I don't know if you guys could see, but that little lining into the contact lenses, it gives you the illusion of your natural eye. So I don't know if you ever looked closely to your eye and you saw all of these lines and everything that your eye naturally has. I feel like this contact gives you exactly that, and it is so beautiful. Definitely love this blue. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is a nice brown. Again, it does have the orange tone to it, so I am quite excited. Just, oh no, disinfecting it. So this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys could see it that well, but it definitely looks a little bit orange, so I guess it's a good thing discovering it from the first brown that we tried on. I definitely feel that it is more orange than brown. Kind of looks like I have fiery eyes. I like it. I don't know, what do you guys think? I really do like this one. It is a pretty brown. I guess the Rococo collection that they have, it gives you that natural eye finish with all the little lining that it has, because that's what it has. It's really, really pretty. Ooh, is this the brown that I'm looking for? Girl is shocked. This is so pretty. Okay, I really like this brown a lot. This is exactly, you see, like it kind of gives me like honey brownie kind of vibes. It's pretty. See, this is the brown that I'm actually talking about. I finally found the company that makes the perfect brown for me. To be honest, if you have dark eyes and you want to lighten them up, this is the perfect brown. It is so pretty. Alrighty, last but not least, this is called Rainbow Unicorn. And trust me, when I opened this, my jaw dropped because it is so cool and so funky, and I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look like on my eye. It's definitely a rainbow, and I do see that it has a black rim around the contact lens, so this is definitely going to make your iris look big. But look at this. Hopefully it focuses, but look at this. You can see all the colors, all the rainbow colors that this has, and I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look like in the eye. So let's do it. Ooh. This is gorgeous. Obsessed with this. Obsessed with this. I've honestly, so far, I've tried so many contact lenses here on my channel. I have to say that this company has the best contact lenses, hands down. I love the contact lenses. All the colors I've tried, I am obsessed with them, except the purple one. But this one, it is so cute and so funky. If you guys are looking for like a rainbow contact lens, let's say like you celebrate Pride and you want to wear like a funky contact lens for Pride, this is definitely the perfect one. Also, if you do cosplay, this will be perfect for you. I am obsessed. Obviously in camera with all the lights that I have here, it's not gonna help, but you can definitely see the colors. It's so pretty. I love this one. Alright, you guys, I zoomed you out a little bit because this is the end of this video. Believe it or not, I still have the rainbow ones on. I am obsessed with these. They are so cool and so funky and so fun to wear. I would wear this every day if I want to be honest. It is such a beautiful contact lens. It is so fun, and it's also like, because the colors keeps moving, so it looks even more cooler. I love it. It's super nice. Everything that you need to know about ICOICE is going to be in the description box down below, including all the colors that I have received with their links if you guys are interested. Also, if there is a discount code, then it will be in the description box down below if you want to go ahead and shop their contact lenses, because honestly, I highly recommend them. They are amazing and the quality is amazing. I honestly feel like I have nothing in my eye, and just an FYI that none of them has tunnel vision, so if you guys are wondering about that, shipping wise they are quite fast. It takes about 2 weeks almost. It depends where you live, so check out their website, see if you like any colors, any styles that they have. I feel like their stuff is really high quality, and packaging wise, packaging for me is always A1. Hope you guys enjoyed this review slash try on video. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll do my best to answer each and one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.